what's going on, all of you wonderfully amazing people. Please be sure to give this video a big old fat thumbs up if you enjoy these work at home related videos. Also, don't forget to sign up to the email newsletter, you guys, if you want these work at home related jobs or side hustles or run do not walk situations to come directly to your email/phone. You definitely want to be on that email newsletter so that you don't miss out on really hot job leads that are like snatched away instantly. Okay. Also, don't forget to come over and join the Work at Home Lounge. Everyone who was pending over there, I did go through and accept every single person as I said I would over the weekend, okay? That link will be in the description box down below. Well, today I am here to share with you guys some work at home jobs and side hustles that actually pay daily or weekly, okay? So if you're looking for something that pays a little bit faster than monthly or bi-weekly, you should definitely check out these work at home jobs and side hustles, okay? The first one is going to be Easy Shift. Now, Easy Shift is an app that pays you to take photos of products, check prices, review promotions, etc., okay? So it's a very easy way to earn some side cash, and you can live in either the US or the UK. Now, with Easy Shift, most payments are sent out 48 hours after they're approved. So if you do a task today, you'll probably receive payment for that task on maybe Friday, okay? So most payments are sent out 48 hours after approval, and they do pay via PayPal. So if you don't have a PayPal account, I highly suggest that you go and get one. They're 100% free to get a PayPal account. Most of these are probably going to pay via PayPal, okay? So the first one is Easy Shift. Everything will be listed on the blog, so if you guys want to just go over and check them out, you can do that as well, okay? Next up is going to be Gig Walk. Now, Gig Walk is another company that actually pays you to complete different tasks in your area, okay? Now, this can be anything from retail and merchandising to going to a store and verifying if a display is displayed accurately, different things like that. So it really depends on your area and the types of tasks that they have available, but there could be a wide range of tasks depending on your area, okay? Now with Gig Walk, they pay $3 to $100 per task, depending on the task that you're going to be completing. And they pay you instantly via PayPal after your task is approved. So once you complete whatever task that it is, you submit it or however you do it, after it is approved, they pay you instantly. Okay. So it really depends on how fast they approve your tasks, okay? So GigWalk is the next company. Next up is going to be 1Q. I've shared this with you guys a couple of weeks ago when I told you about this company that actually pays you to answer questions. There are companies out there who like to interact with customers, and they send you a series of questions over the course of a week, 2 weeks. However, you may only get maybe one question a day, maybe two questions a day, okay? But they pay you 50 cents per question that you answer, and they pay you instantly. So after you answer a question, they will literally send you the 50 cents to your PayPal account instantly, okay? So again, it'll add up over the course of a week. It is a way to make some quick side hustle coin instantly for those of you who like to see that money in your account right then, okay? Next up is going to be a Better Call. Now, a Better Call is a telemarketing company that does business to business telemarketing and lead generation. So you'll actually be cold calling. So if you're not, comfortable with cold calling, this is probably not going to be the gig for you. But what you'll basically be doing is you'll be calling different businesses on behalf of another business who are trying to generate leads for their company, okay? So say, for instance, you're a person who owns a computer software business and you're trying to get different businesses around the area to use your services. So you will actually be the person who are going to be calling the businesses in order to generate leads for this software company. So you'll basically call the business and you'll, basically do like a little script or something, and you'll try to set up an appointment for the software company. Okay. Now they pay up to $20 per hour. Some of their higher earning reps actually earn up to $20 per hour. But if you're newer, you're probably not going to make $20 an hour. It might be a little bit less than that. But if you're comfortable with cold calling, I definitely recommend that you guys go over and check out A Better Call. Again, everything will be listed on the blog in the description box down below. Next up is going to be American Support. Now, American Support used to pay weekly, but now they pay bi-weekly. But I wanted to include this one on the blog and on the video because I think some people will definitely be interested in going over and applying to this one. But they're currently looking for inbound and outbound telesales agents. Now with this role, you'll basically be calling customers of a cable company, offering them, have you ever, had somebody call you, say for instance, you have Comcast cable or Time Warner cable, you'll probably have someone who works for them who will call you and they'll say, well, now we have a promotion for an HBO package or a Showtime package, or are you interested in also utilizing our internet services as well as the cable services? So that's pretty much what you'll be doing. You'll basically just be calling current customers, trying to get them the best bang for their buck, okay? And they're actually currently hiring right now. So you should probably definitely check out that. And again, that is American Support. Now, next up, you have InfoCision. Now, InfoCision is kind of like a marketing company of sorts, but they're currently looking for fundraisers to work from home, which you'll be doing inbound and outbound, as well as inside sales agents, okay, to work from home. And you'll basically be doing customer service related things with the inside sales position. And they pay weekly, and they are only hiring out of specific states. So definitely keep that in mind as well. But they pay every single week. Next up, you have We Localize. And We Localize is a website that actually pays you to transcribe song lyrics. Now, currently, they're only seeking French and German transcribers, but they oftentimes have English transcriber positions that are available. So this is one that you should definitely probably bookmark and go back and check ever so often for when they have the English transcriber position open, okay? They pay $4 for every single song that you transcribe, and they pay you weekly. So if you're a person who's watching this and you're French or German, or you can speak French and German, you should definitely go and check this out. Again, they pay $4 for every song that you transcribe, and they pay weekly. But if you speak English, don't forget to go over and check regularly for when they're looking for English transcribers as well. Next up, we have Guru. Guru is very similar to another company that I'm going to be sharing with you guys here shortly. But basically, Guru is a website that hires freelancers to do different tasks for clients. Okay, and this can include data entry, transcribing. It can be virtual assistant tasks. It can be writing, blogging, different types of things like that, okay? Now with Guru, you're basically paid as fast as the client actually submits the payment, okay? So it really depends on how fast the client submits payment, but it will definitely be within a week, okay? A week or less that you will actually get paid from Guru. And it's 100% free for you to go over there and sign up. Just make sure that you're actually signing up as a freelancer and not as a client, okay? If you go over and you try to sign up as a client, you're basically going to be looking to hire people, but you're not looking to actually hire people. You're looking to work. So just make sure that you're signing up as an actual freelancer as opposed to a client, okay? Next up, we have Upwork, and I absolutely love Upwork. I have been on this platform since about 2012, 2013, and I have made a pretty penny on Upwork working for different clients, okay? Again, same premise. You will be doing freelancer tasks such as data entry, customer service, virtual assisting, writing, anything that you can possibly think of. They have it here on Upwork. Okay, it's 100% free. And yes, they do charge you because they are a platform and they have to make money as well. So just say, for instance, you set your hourly pay at $25 per hour. they'll take $1, $2 of that. I forgot exactly how much, but they take, $1, $2 of your pay as, payment for you utilizing their website, because they have to make money as well. Highly, 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 highly recommend Upwork for those of you out there who have customer service skills, for those of you who are good writers. If you do medical billing and coding, this is the website for you, you guys. Again, I have made a very pretty penny working for Upwork, and I highly recommend that you guys go over and check them out as well. Again, 100% free for you guys to go over and sign up as freelancers. Make sure that you're signing up as a freelancer and not a client. Okay. And last but not least, we have user testing. Now, my sister and my niece frequently use user testing, and they actually pay up to $60 per test. But I always like to tell people they basically pay $10 per test, because I don't know anyone who's made the $60 per test, but they do pay up to $60 per test depending on what type of test that you're taking, okay? I'm not really sure if they pay up to $60 per test if you're an experienced tester on their website, but I'm just going to say $10 per test, okay? And all you'll simply be doing is you'll be visiting websites and or apps and basically giving your feedback on it, basically testing the functionality of the website or app, and they pay you to do that. And they pay you via PayPal for completing these tasks, you guys. So there you have it. Those are some websites that you guys can utilize to get paid daily/weekly, to make a little bit of side cash for those of you guys out there who are looking for some quick money faster than bi-weekly or monthly, okay? Don't forget to sign up to the email newsletter, as well as join the Work at Home Lounge. Y'all, I'm so excited for everybody who's getting hired over there in that group. It's only going to get better. I can guarantee you that. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.